So it's a beautiful sunny day here in Coventry. I'm on Anstey Park. I'm at FANUC UK. Recently they launched their new CRX robot. I'm going to go inside and talk to Andy Armstrong about why they introduced this model.
CRX, Paul, is really an extension of our collaborative robot range. The CR robot fundamentally is our industrial robot with full force sensing capability, and we can swap between collaborative mode and the full standard industrial robot mode. The CRX is specifically a collaborative robot designed for the collaborative marketplace. You'll see, as you've seen today, the different design style of the robot. It looks a lot more modern than the standard industrial robot, and its capabilities really lie within that collaborative robot marketplace. They're very easy to use and operate, Paul, and fundamentally they're out of the box. You have a tablet that you can plug in, any industrial manufacturer's tablet, with a drag and drop capability, touch screen that anybody can use. So you can basically maneuver the robot, teach a position, move to a secondary position, teach that position, and just build your program up to a cycle of which you want to achieve. So within an hour and a half, you'll have your first program done. Anything from a picking and placing application where we can teach fairly simplistically to pick billets of material up, place to vices, jaws, grips, whatever, and take the finished parts out. Most certainly will be a quick entry level process, and the ease of programming will facilitate that. The robots are designed inherently with force sensors in each axis, so we can actually monitor and set the force that the robot will stop at. True collaborative mode, the speeds are relatively low anyway, so that you can physically just touch the robot with your finger and it will stop. I think when you look at the product, the design of the product that we have and the technology that we're bringing, this robot in the collaborative marketplace will become a very highly competitive and hopefully desirable piece of equipment.
So there you have it. What a fascinating insight into the new CRX robot. You yourself can come here to Coventry, to their facility on Anstey Park, and touch and feel the cobots or the robots to see what they can do for your business when it comes to improving the productivity of your factory.